Good morning, Indian Creek Sports. My name is Sam. Today is Tuesday, May 6, 2014. To honor America, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag Please join us for the daily moment of silence. Now, everyone.
Here we have today is apple cider vinegar, and this is our last day doing the cleaning penny experiment. So let's test out if this apple cider vinegar will clean this penny. This penny didn't work out so well. And yeah, it's sort of pinkish and didn't work out. Okay, so we used for cleaning the pennies ketchup, salsa and lemon juice, pickle juice, salsa, hand soap, and apple cider vinegar. Out of all of those, I think the salsa did the best trick, but it didn't clean the penny enough because it didn't have a lot of the hot substance, and it was more mild than usual. Back to the anchor desk.
Today's delicious lunch is personal pan pizza, chicken pot pie with biscuit, corn, and baby carrots. The word of the week is periodic table, a table that shows the elements with similar chemical properties are grouped together. Today they say it will be rainy. Our high will be 73 degrees and our low will be 46 degrees. Right now it is 46 degrees. There will be a 10% chance of rain. Now to Mr. Nelson.
Well, good morning, everyone. Today we're going to do our quick little drawing lesson. Last week, I'll give you a little time to get your papers out, but last week we were talking about, in a quick review, we were dealing with putting four dots together, drawing kind of a rhombus shape, coming down with three parallel congruent lines, and basically creating a box. Last week we added three congruent parallel lines and then added this to go ahead and kind of make a table. So we have this little table here. We can add a shadow here and maybe some shadow here. And if we add a horizon line here, it even makes it look better. So we had something like that. Well, today what we're going to do is we're going to do kind of the exact opposite. Let me find a clear space on my paper. There we go. We're going to go ahead and what I need everybody to do is to make that foreshortened square that we talked about. Let's see, my four dots. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to make that cube again. or as close to the cube as possible. But this time, instead of doing a smaller one underneath, we're going to do a larger one underneath. So what we're going to do is where these lines are, we're going to move a dot here, and put another dot down there. And then what we're going to do is draw this. I'm going to move this there. You can see it. Okay? And then I'm going to draw another line here and another line here. And then I'm going to draw my 3 congruent parallel lines. Let's make sure that they're congruent. And now I have a box on top of a box. And maybe what I want to do instead is to add some details, like a little flag. Whoops. Let's see. Let's try that again. Maybe a little flag. Maybe, let's see. I'm drawing a line here. We'll have somebody walking a tightrope. Maybe another giant hand coming up here. Let's see, because we all need Godzilla hands coming up someplace, right? There. Okay, so all those different things that you can add on to your drawing, but that's one of the things that you can do. Now, the one thing I do want to spend just a few seconds on are some mistakes I've seen in some drawings, and I want to see if we can figure out how to correct them. Sometimes people are doing this, and then they do this, and then they draw straight across. That doesn't look right. All we have to do to fix that is make sure that this line and this line are parallel. And all of a sudden, we've got that box again like we need. Some other things that I've seen are, well, that's the first one. That's the big one that I tend to see is people drawing this line. They draw 2 lines, but they draw them straight across instead of at an angle. So let's work on that. And let's practice for next week drawing some more cubes. And back to the anchor desk.
That's it for the morning news. Remember, we are geared up for success. AMPD, absolutely no put downs. See ya!